How to fix Windows Update error 0x80070228. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this error. First of all, try downloading the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Launch a browser. Type Microsoft Update Catalog. Press enter. Click on this link. Go to the settings window. Click on Start. Select Settings. Click on Windows Update. Here you will find the update number. Copy the update number from here and paste into the search box. Then click on search. Once the update is found, click on the download button for the link supporting your system type. After downloading the MSU file, install it by following the on-screen instructions. If the issue still occurs, then run DISM and SFC command line tools. Click on search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes. Go to the video description, you will find these commands there. This is DISM Restorehealth command line tool. Copy this command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Then run the system files checker command. Copy the system files checker command from the video description, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Once completed, close the command prompt, close other running tasks and restart your computer. Then try to install the update. If the earlier methods are not working, you will need to perform in place upgrade. To perform in place upgrade, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link, download Windows 11, go down to this page. Under download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices, click on select download. Select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. If you are running ARM64 based device, then click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. Click on confirm. Now you have to select the product language. Check the product language using your settings app. Click on start. Go to settings. Click on time and language. Then language and region. English United States is the Windows display language. Select here your language. Click on choose one. Select English United States. If your Windows language is different, then select the different one and click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. After downloading the ISO file, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to Downloads. Right click on the just downloaded ISO file and select Mount. Right click on Setup.exe. Select Open. Click on Yes. On this window, click on Next. On the applicable notices and license terms window, click on Accept. Click on Install and wait for the process to complete. The computer will restart multiple times. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.